Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix DLSS frame generation now working on PC and Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. So here's what you gotta do. You wanna open search, type in settings. Once in settings, you wanna go to display, scroll down till you find graphics, and now click advanced graphics settings and make sure that you have hardware accelerated GPU scheduling on. And once you turn it on, you wanna restart your PC and then relaunch the game and see if that helps the issue. Now, if that doesn't help, what you want to do is go here, open the NVIDIA app, go to graphics, select your game from the list, select the Assassin's Creed. Now you want to select it, go to global settings, and you want to make sure the DLSS override model preset is set to use the 3D application setting, and you want to click apply. Now, if you have this enabled, the DLSS override frame gen mode, you want to also enable this and set it to use 3D application settings. Now, after you've done all of that and it still doesn't work, what you can do is obviously update the drivers to the latest game ready drivers. You simply download them, install them, and then hopefully that fixes the issue. If you already installed the driver, you can always reinstall it and then restart your PC, and then the game should work properly. Also, you want to go to settings, disable the NVIDIA overlay if you have it on, and go to system and disable the G-Sync if you have it on. That's it for this video. That's how you fix DLSS frame generation now working on PC for Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.